And hello.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here. Back to another video. I am in dad mode. This is the weekend. This is a late night video. I ain't shaved. I didn't put my weave on, so I got the dad hat on. But at least I got a cool shirt on. So this will be a really quick video. This came in from Microsoft. By now, you all know the size of these packages. They come from Microsoft. So I just wanted to share this one because it came today. I didn't get my mail to like right now. I'm recording this like at 9 at night, so Pacific Standard Time. So I hope y'all doing good. You had a good Saturday. I do have another video already recorded, and I hope that comes out tomorrow. It's a tech call, so if you're interested in that, be sure to watch. And hello. When did they announce this? When did they? Okay. Now, I will be the first to admit I am not a big PubG player. I have played it. This is a PubG Battlegrounds controller. Wow. Okay, let's get into that. Let's get in there. Lamarr, you do so many controllers. Why do you have so many controllers? For the 20 millionth time, go to any tech channel. They have hundreds of phones. That's what they do for a living. Guys, it's just, I'm just showcasing it. I'm just telling you that it's out. What I do with it after the camera, who cares? But like, I just want to show it to you. That's all I want to do. So here, let's do a nice little close up here. Get my ugly face out the way. Oh man, okay, so you know what? I haven't even looked at it yet, but that looks really cool. Oh yeah, and the D-pad has little splatter on it. I like that. And in the back, I did see this as I was showing it to you. Let me make sure the lighting, there you go. It says PubG right there. So very cool. And of course, comes with the the Duracell. I'm not gonna complain about it today. I just don't have time. I just did an order for some food, so it's about to come in a few minutes. I'm like, yeah, I didn't eat all day. I haven't eaten. I just been sitting in front of the TV watching cartoons. That's why, like, this has been one of them days. So, okay. Let's go ahead and I mean, it's not connected to anything, but you can see that it is working. So a couple other features. I don't feel a grip. I mean, there's some pattern here, but this is not like one of those those enhanced ones that have the grip. But it's just a cool one. I'll give you another look at the D-pad and things just up close. You see, make sure the lighting can. You see, yeah, it's just a really nice looking controller. The box looks great. Like, that's the back of it. This is, I mean, it's a really cool. If you're into PubG, this is for you. Or it is holiday time. I know Thanksgiving coming, but so is Black Friday, and then everybody gonna start shopping. So this is a good holiday thing. I'm not sure when it comes out as of me recording because I didn't know this existed. By the time the video come out, I will know. I'll have a link below. If you're interested in this, the PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds, also known as PubG, Xbox wireless controller, check it out. Guys, that's all for today. Tune in hopefully tomorrow. Might be Monday. We'll see for a tech call that's already been recorded. I just have to stop being lazy and edit it and stop watching cartoons all day. That's all I did. All day. I didn't play any video games, but I'm wearing a video game shirt. However, oh, it's Pac-Man. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh, wait. By the way, there is a PubG code here. I already have PubG. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this code, follow me on Instagram. In the next 24 hours, I will put the code in my Instagram stories. It's just going to pop up as a story. First come, first serve. Follow me on Instagram at Lamarr Wilson. The link is also below. See ya.